Good evening. You are with the big story here. I'm Seher Zama. We're going to be touching upon all the top stories of the day. But first, we're making a start with breaking inputs here that are coming in. This is regarding an ongoing protest which is taking place by doctors in Delhi. Let's play out those visuals here for you. These are our COVID warriors, and the reason why they're protesting here. These are doctors of 3 hospitals. They're protesting at Jantar Mantar against pending salaries by the civic body. Remember, these are hospitals which are under the civic body of Delhi, which is the NDMC. This includes the doctors of the Hindu Rao, the Kasturba hospitals protesting here, and the Rajan Babu hospital here as well. We have with us our correspondent Parveena getting us those inputs here. Parveena, this is of course on a shameful as well as a worrisome note to have doctors at this given time of the pandemic out of the hospital protesting for what is their basic rights. These have been long extending work hours that the doctors have seen this season, this year of the pandemic, and yet they have to protest for something as basic as their salary.
Well, yes, one cannot forget that even as we speak, the pandemic is, a real thing which we are still facing. And hence, patients and hospitals do need this, warriors in work and service. But the sad part and the irony is, I will show you these visuals from Jantar Mantar, where doctors from 3 hospitals comes under NDMC district are protesting here in Jantar Mantar for not getting paid for past 3 to 4 months. July onwards, they have not been getting their salary. Remember, these are the doctors who have been working relentlessly for a year when it was, when pandemic struck to this country and people needed them. They served each day, each moment. But were they paid on time? No, they weren't. And hence they realized that, there is no way out but to protest and to come on road and ask what their right is. Let me speak to Mr. Sunil, who is the president of Residence Doctors in Kasturba Gandhi. Sir, आपका मांग क्या है और इस मोमेंट में आप लोग क्या चाह रहे हो, क्या करें?
देखिए, हमारा मांग बहुत सिंपल है कि हम लोगों को टाइम से सैलरी मिले। और हमारा सिंपल सा मांग है, चूँकि ये जो इश्यू हमारा बहुत पुराना है, 4-5 सालों से ऐसा होते आ रहा है कि कभी हम लोगों को टाइम से सैलरी नहीं मिलती है। 1-2-3 महीना तो डिले बहुत कॉमन है, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोगों ने एमसीडी का साथ दिया है और बिना सैलरी के 3-3 महीना तक काम किया है। लेकिन अब जो है पानी सर के लेवल से ऊपर।
एनडीएमसी बोल रहे कि अभी उनके पास उतना फंड नहीं है, पर जुलाई महीने का वो सैलरी इमीडिएटली दे देंगे और बाकियों के लिए थोड़ा रुके।
देखिए, ये जो उनका डायलॉग है ना, बहुत पुराना है। वो पिछले 4 सालों से यही बोलते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इसका परमानेंट सोल्यूशन हो। अगर उनके पास फंड नहीं है तो फंड का अरेंजमेंट करें ना। दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है, 2 गवर्नमेंट हम लोग चुन के भेजें। किस लिए भेजे हैं? देश का राजधानी दिल्ली में 2 गवर्नमेंट है, क्या दोनों गवर्नमेंट के पास सोल्यूशन नहीं है इसका?
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मानते हैं इसका सोल्यूशन ये है कि वो 2 हॉस्पिटल जो है, ये हॉस्पिटल उनको हैंड ओवर कर दे एंड द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज इन अ बेटर पोजीशन टू गिव बेटर हेल्थ फैसिलिटी।
ये अगर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में अगर ऑफर दे रही है तो मैं समझता हूँ कि एमसीडी का जो बर्डन है वो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट कम कर रही है और उनको खुशी
लगता है इससे एक सोल्यूशन निकल सकती है।
ये देखिए, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट तो बोल रही है कि अगर वो हॉस्पिटल हमारे हैंड ओवर कर दे तो जितने नॉर्थ एमसीडी के एम्प्लॉई हॉस्पिटल्स के उनको सैलरी और टाइम पे देंगे। तो अगर ऐसा बोल रहे हैं तो हमें लगता है कि ये एक परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, उनको विचार करना चाहिए इस पर।
So you have heard him that they say even if the hospitals needed to be handed over to the state government, it should be done so that the MCD do not cheat them anymore, because this has been the strategy for the MCDs. What the doctors believe is to say that this 1 month we are giving, and that is how they've been delaying for months. These doctors are also claiming that this 1 month strategy is something they will not anymore buy, and they will be in an indefinite strike until and unless there is a permanent solution to this fiasco. And remember, once again we are witnessing a political war of words and passing the buck. There is no real solution by the state government or the MCD, and people who are suffering in this entire political war and passing the buck is of course the patients and the doctors.
All right, Parbina, appreciate you getting us those inputs here. Yes, this is, of course, as we've seen in the past as well, while the NDMC, which is run by the BJP, continues to maintain that funds for their salaries has been released to the Delhi government, and the Delhi government, run by AAP, is not further releasing those funds. This is a back and forth of the blame game that we've seen play out in past years here. But the reason why this becomes all the more crucial in the midst of this pandemic in this particular year, well, that issue per se also still has not been resolved. Many thanks, Parbina, for getting us those inputs.